Apprenticeships are a vital part of Sunrise and Graceful's people and growth strategy, creating opportunities for our existing team members to further develop their career with us, gain new skills, as well as continue to develop their existing skills and capabilities. Apprenticeships play a significant part of our emerging talent strategy, where we've created opportunities for people to gain a career in the healthcare sector and step into the world of work in a rewarding and fast-paced care environment. As a national private healthcare organisation, developing our people is extremely important to our success and ability to provide exceptional resident and customer care across all our job roles and working environments. We want to provide career development opportunities for all of our team members to help them develop and grow with us. Apprenticeships have played a significant part in developing a really motivated, skilled and effective team. We entered the world of apprenticeships as an organisation for the first time in 2010. We approached Paragon Skills, who clearly had years of experience and knowledge working with other large healthcare companies who have similar objectives and operational needs as us. We wanted to develop a range of programmes to suit the variety of job roles in our organisation that can be delivered to reflect our specific business and cultural needs in a consistent way across all our homes and healthcare settings. Most importantly, we wanted the learning experience to be inspiring and extremely relevant to our residents' care. Paragon Skills worked closely with us every step of the way. They really understood our operational and people development requirements. They listened to us and gave practical advice and suggestions during every stage of the design and implementation process. Working closely with Paragon Skills over the years, we've developed a fantastic partnership with their teams. They've helped us develop an extremely successful apprenticeship model that supports the acquisition of new talent, as well as provides structured career development opportunities. Paragon Skills have built an excellent relationship with their teams at all levels, from our leadership teams to our home managers. They've really helped our teams engage with the different apprenticeships we offer and are passionate about what they do. It feels as though they are part of our team, and we are looking forward to continuing our successful partnership as we move into the next stages of our apprenticeship journey.